Meeting someone for the first time at a cafe. Hi, excuse me, is this seat taken?
Oh, no, go ahead. I'm just finishing up some work.
Thanks. I always love the vibe here. It's cozy, but still lively.
Totally. I come here almost every afternoon. Helps me focus.
Nice. By the way, I'm Lucas.
I'm Emily. Nice to meet you. What do you usually work on?
Mostly design projects. I'm a freelance graphic designer.
Really? That sounds fun. I'm studying marketing, so I'm fascinated by design.
No way. Marketing and design go hand in hand.
Exactly. Maybe you can give me some tips someday.
I'd love to. I'm usually around here. Feel free to say hi.
I definitely will.
Talking to a new neighbor.
Hi! You must be the one who just moved in next door.
Yeah, that's me. I'm Chloe. Nice to meet you.
I'm Daniel. Welcome to the building. How's the move going?
Honestly, exhausting. I didn't realize I had so much stuff until I had to pack it all.
I get that. Moving always feels like discovering a new level of chaos.
Exactly. But everyone here seems friendly so far, so that helps.
Oh, totally. People here actually talk to each other. We even have little gatherings sometimes.
That sounds nice. I'd love to join sometime.
For sure. And if you need any tools or help, just knock on my door.
Thank you. That means a lot. I might take you up on that.
Making friends in an English class.
Hey, is this seat taken?
Nope, go ahead. This is English Conversation Level 2, right?
Yup, you're in the right place. First time here?
Yeah, I just joined. I'm a bit nervous, actually.
Don't worry. The teacher is super nice, and everyone is here to improve together.
That's good to hear. I always feel shy speaking English with strangers.
Same at the beginning, but after a few classes, you'll feel way more comfortable.
I hope so. By the way, I'm Nara.
I'm Ethan. If you ever want to practice after class, I'm usually free.
Really? That would help me so much.
No problem. Learning with someone is always easier.
Thanks. I think I'm going to enjoy this class.
Bonding over a shared interest.
Hey, is that the new sci-fi book everyone's talking about?
Yep, I just started it yesterday. I'm already hooked.
Same! The world building is insane, right?
Absolutely. I love how the author blends technology with human emotions.
That's what got me too. It feels futuristic, but still relatable.
Exactly. Honestly, I don't meet many people who enjoy sci-fi.
Me neither. Most of my friends prefer romance or mystery.
Same! Maybe we should start a tiny book club. Just the two of us.
I'd love that. Talking about books makes them even better.
Deal. Once I reach chapter 10, let's meet again and discuss.
You got it.
Making a new friend at the gym.
Hey, are you done with the treadmill?
Yeah, it's all yours. I'm dying anyway.
Same. Every time I come here, I question my life choices.
Right? But at least we're trying. That's what counts.
True. I see you here often. Morning workouts?
Yeah, I try to come before work. Helps me wake up.
I admire your discipline. I'm still fighting my snooze button every day.
Trust me. So am I.
I'm Alex, by the way.
I'm Priya. Nice to officially meet you.
Same here. Maybe we can do a workout together sometime.
I'd like that. Misery loves company, right?
Definitely.
Connecting with someone at a party.
Hey, I don't think we've met. I'm Jason.
Hi, Jason. I'm Lily. Nice to meet you.
You know many people here?
Not really. I only know the host, Sarah.
Same. I was worried I'd just stand in a corner all night.
That was exactly my plan.
Well, now you don't have to. What do you do for work?
I'm a UX designer. You?
Oh, cool. I'm a front-end developer.
No way. That's perfect teamwork.
Yeah, we could build an app together someday.
Don't tempt me. I'd love that.
Seriously, we should talk more later.
Definitely.
Having a heartfelt conversation with a stranger. Mind if I sit here? Everywhere else is full.
Sure, go ahead. Long day?
You have no idea. I'm just mentally drained.
I get that. Some days just feel heavier than others.
Exactly. Funny how talking to a stranger sometimes feels easier.
I completely agree. No expectations, no pressure.
Right. Thanks for listening, by the way.
Anytime. I might not know you, but I hope tomorrow's kinder to you.
That means a lot. Really.
Hang in there. You're doing better than you think.
Getting to know a coworker during lunch.
Mind if I join you? Everywhere else is full.
Of course. Sit down.
Thanks. By the way, I'm the new guy, Paul.
I'm Jenna. Welcome to the team.
Appreciate it. Still trying to remember everyone's names.
It takes time. What department are you in?
Marketing. I'll be working on the new campaign.
Oh, we've needed someone in marketing for ages.
No pressure then.
You'll be fine. And if you ever need help navigating the office chaos, I've got you.
Thank you. That's honestly reassuring.
We're all figuring things out together.
Building a connection while traveling.
Is this your first time in Japan?
Yeah, and I'm already obsessed with everything here. The food, the culture, the people.
Same! I came last year and just had to return.
What do you recommend I see first?
If you want something peaceful, visit Meiji Shrine. But if you want energy, Shibuya Crossing.
That sounds perfect. I want to experience both sides.
That's the best part of traveling. Finding those contrasts.
Exactly. And meeting people like you along the way.
Hey, same here. Want to explore together tomorrow?
I'd love that.
A deep conversation while waiting for class.
You look deep in thought. Everything okay?
Oh, yeah. Just thinking about life, I guess.
That sounds serious. Want to talk about it?
I just feel a bit lost lately. Not sure if I'm heading in the right direction.
Honestly, I think everyone feels that way at some point.
Maybe. It's just hard to admit.
True, but you're doing your best, and that matters.
Thanks. You're surprisingly comforting for someone I just met.
Glad to help. Sometimes the right words come from unexpected places.
Yeah. Thanks for listening.
Anytime, really.
Reconnecting with an old classmate at a conference.
Wait, Anna? Anna Lopez?
Oh my God, Mark? I haven't seen you since college.
I know. What are the chances we'd meet at this conference?
Seriously, are you presenting today?
Yeah, later this afternoon. I'm kind of nervous.
You? Nervous? You were always the confident one.
That was back then. Life humbled me.
Same here. We should catch up after your talk.
I'd really like that. It's been too long.
Meeting someone while traveling solo.
Is this seat taken?
No, feel free. Traveling alone?
Yeah, just wanted a break from everything.
I get that. Solo trips are like hitting reset on life.
Exactly! No schedules, no expectations, just freedom.
Well, if you want some company later, I'm exploring the old town.
That actually sounds nice. Let's go together.
Running into someone you met online. Hey, aren't you the person from the language exchange app?
Wait, James? Wow, I didn't expect to see you in real life.
Same. I recognized your voice before your face.
That's a first.
Are you here for the meetup event?
Yeah, but I don't know anyone.
Well, now you do. Stick with me.
I'm glad we bumped into each other.
Deep talk with someone you just met.
You look like you've had a long day.
More like a long year, honestly.
Ooh, that sounds heavy.
It's just work, family, everything piling up at once.
I get that. Sometimes life hits all at once instead of taking turns.
Exactly. But talking to someone, even a stranger, helps.
Then I'm glad I sat next to you today.
Meeting the friend of a friend and clicking instantly.
So, how do you know Daniel?
We used to work together. He talks about you all the time.
Oh God, good things I hope?
Mostly. He said you're the person to go to for life advice.
Really? That's ironic. I can't even advise myself.
Same here. Maybe that's why we'll get along.
I have a feeling we will.
Comforting someone at work.
Hey, you okay? You seemed a little off in the meeting.
Yeah, just dealing with some personal stuff.
You don't have to talk about it, but I'm here if you want to.
Thanks. Not many people notice when I'm struggling.
I do. And you're not alone, even if it feels that way sometimes.
That means more than you know.
Meeting someone at a bookstore.
You're buying that one? It made me cry for 2 days.
Really? It's just a novel. How emotional can it be?
Oh, trust me, the last 3 chapters will ruin you in the best way.
Now I'm scared, but also curious.
If you need someone to yell at after you finish it, I'm available.
Deal. What's your name again?
Maya.
I'm Leo. Nice to meet you, Maya.
Talking to a stranger at a wedding.
Weddings always make me emotional.
Same. They make me question my entire love life.
Glad I'm not the only one.
Are you close with the bride or groom?
Groom. We grew up together.
I'm a friend of the bride from university.
Small world, huh? 2 complete strangers sharing a table.
Maybe not strangers for long.
Catching someone's attention at the gym.
Sorry, I didn't mean to stare. I just realized we're in the same yoga class.
Oh, I thought you looked familiar.
You're really good, by the way. I can barely hold a pose.
Trust me, I fall over more times than you think.
Well, you make it look easy.
Thanks, that's sweet. You're getting better too.
Really? Coming from you, that means a lot.
See you in class tomorrow?
Definitely.
A deep nighttime conversation with a stranger.
Funny how late-night conversations with strangers always feel so real.
Maybe because people are braver at night, less afraid to be honest.
True. During the day, everyone wears masks.
But right now, it feels like we don't have to.
Yeah. Thanks for talking with me. I didn't realize how much I needed it.
Same. Sometimes the best connections happen unexpectedly.
Maybe this isn't just a moment.
Maybe it's the start of something.
Meeting someone at a language meetup.
Hi, is this your first time joining the English meetup?
Yeah, I just moved to the city last month, so I'm trying to meet new people.
That's great. I'm Alex, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Alex. I'm Hannah.
So, what made you want to join this group?
I need more speaking practice. I get nervous talking to strangers.
Don't worry, everyone here feels the same at first.
That's comforting. You seem pretty confident, though.
Only because I've been coming for a year.
Wow, that's a long time.
Yeah, but I met some amazing friends here. You'll make friends too.
I hope so. It's harder to meet people as an adult.
True, but showing up is the first step.
You're right. Thanks for being so welcoming.
Anytime. Want to partner up for the speaking activity?
Sure, I'd love to.
Meeting someone while traveling.
Excuse me, is this seat free?
Yeah, go ahead. Are you traveling alone?
Yep, first solo trip. Kind of excited, kind of terrified.
I know the feeling. I did my first solo trip last year.
Really? How was it?
Honestly, life-changing. I met so many people.
That's what I'm hoping for. I want to push myself out of my comfort zone.
Traveling does that. Where are you heading?
Tokyo. You?
Same. I'm going to visit some friends.
That's awesome. Maybe we can explore somewhere together.
Yeah, I'd like that. It's always fun with company.
Definitely. Do you go there often?
Once a year. I love the culture.
Sounds amazing. I can't wait to experience it.
Making a connection at a gym class.
Wow, that class was intense.
Tell me about it. I thought my legs were going to fall off.
Same. Is it always this hard?
Pretty much, but you get used to it.
I'm Mia, by the way.
I'm Ryan. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Do you come here often?
At least 3 times a week. It helps me clear my mind.
Lucky you. I'm still trying to build discipline.
You'll get there. Want a tip?
Sure.
Make a gym friend. It keeps you motivated.
That's smart. So, does this mean you're volunteering?
I guess I am.
Cool. See you next class?
Absolutely.
Meeting a new coworker.
Hi. You must be the new designer, right?
Yes, that's me. I'm Nora.
Welcome. I'm Ethan from the marketing team.
Nice to meet you, Ethan.
How's your first day going so far?
A bit overwhelming, but everyone's been kind.
That's good. We're a chaotic but friendly bunch.
Sounds like my kind of team.
Do you need help with anything?
Actually, I'm still figuring out the shared folder system.
I can show you. It confused me too at first.
That would be amazing. Thank you.
No problem. By the way, we usually grab lunch together. Want to join today?
Really? I'd love to.
Great. Welcome to the team, Nora.
Thanks. I think I'm going to like it here.
Talking to someone at a friend's party.
Hey, I don't think we've met yet. I'm Leo.
Hi, Leo. I'm Emma. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. How do you know the host?
We went to university together. You?
We work at the same company.
Oh, cool. What do you do?
I'm a software engineer.
Nice. I work in graphic design.
That's awesome. I've always been terrible at design.
And I'm terrible with code.
Perfect balance then.
Exactly. So, do you come to these parties often?
Not really. I'm not great at social events.
Same. Honestly, I almost didn't come tonight.
I'm glad you did. It's nice meeting someone I can actually talk to.
Same here.
Meeting someone in a class.
Hey, is this seat taken?
Nope, go ahead.
Thanks. I'm new here, so I'm still figuring things out.
Don't worry, I felt the same my first day.
I'm Jason, by the way.
I'm Lila. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. How long have you been studying here?
About 4 months. It's a great school.
That's good to know. I heard the teachers are really helpful.
They are. And the students are pretty friendly, too.
That's a relief. Making friends is harder as an adult.
True, but places like this help.
I hope so. Maybe we can study together sometime.
I'd like that.
Meeting someone at a coffee shop.
Hey, are you reading The Silent Stars?
Yeah. Have you read it?
I finished it last week. It was incredible.
I'm only on chapter 4, but I'm already hooked.
Oh, trust me, it only gets better from here.
That makes me excited and a little scared.
So, do you come here often?
Pretty often. It's my favorite spot to relax.
Same. I come here to work sometimes.
What do you do?
Freelance writing. You?
Calm UX design.
Oh, nice. Creativity buddies.
Exactly.
Want to grab coffee together next time?
I'd love that. Meeting someone at a wedding reception.
Weddings are always so beautiful, aren't they?
They are. I always get emotional watching the ceremony.
Same. Do you know the bride or groom?
The bride. We've been friends for years.
I'm on the groom's side. Childhood friends.
Small world, then.
Yeah. Weddings bring strangers together in the nicest way.
True. It's funny how people connect at events like this.
Speaking of which, I'm Noah.
I'm Claire. Nice to meet you, Noah.
Nice to meet you too, Claire.
So, what do you do?
I'm a photographer.
Oh, wow. No wonder you noticed all the details tonight.
Guilty.
I'd love to see your work someday.
I'd be happy to show you.
Meeting someone while volunteering.
Hi, is this your first day volunteering?
Yeah, I'm a bit nervous, actually.
Don't be. Everyone here is super friendly.
That's good to hear. I really want to help, but I don't know where to start.
I felt the same way. You learn as you go.
Thanks for saying that.
I'm Riley, by the way.
I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you, Riley.
Nice to meet you too. Did you sign up for food prep or distribution?
Distribution.
Great. That's what I'm doing too. We can work together.
Really? That would help so much.
Of course. Volunteering is more fun with a partner.
Thanks. I'm glad I met you today.
Same here.
Meeting someone at a park. Hi there. Mind if my dog says hi to yours?
Not at all. They seem to like each other already.
Dogs make friends faster than humans.
That's so true.
I'm Max, by the way.
I'm Zoe. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Do you come here often?
Usually every evening. My dog has too much energy.
Same here. Mine acts like he drank 3 cups of coffee.
I know the feeling.
We should let them play together sometime.
I'd love that. And it'd be nice to talk again, too.
Definitely. Same time tomorrow?
Sounds perfect.